I want my music to be heard as word music, like Cesaria Evora or like when people listen to Cesaria Evora, it's in Portuguese, right? They don't care if they don't understand. They they hear the sound of the words. I mean, they just did the chords, and I think when people listen to Yiddish, whether they're Jewish or not, they think it. I need to understand. It has to be smart. It must be smart because it's Yiddish. So I feel that I'm deprived the right to to be, or Yiddish is deprived the right to be only like a feel good music with, and that's not. It doesn't mean that's what I want to do. I mean, I have some of our songs are piano and voice, and the words are important. But as a musician, maybe I mean I love words, but I love music too. And I think it's the challenge with Yiddish is that most of the time, lyrics are more important or considered more important. And I think it's a limitation for its commercial impact. Uh, I don't know if it's clear, but Cesaria Evora, nobody cares if they don't understand the lyrics. They listen, they love it, and then some of them will go and hopefully find the translation in the booklet. But they won't say, oh, it's a weird language, or it's Jewish, it has to be smart and unconsciously, because Jews, apparently some people think that all Jews are smart, which I can tell it's not true. It's again about prejudice. Why this prejudice that what is Jewish has to be, is has a meaning, or has, sometimes it's just like some of those poems, they're beautiful, but it's only about sex, nothing special. It's not a big concept. It's not Spinoza or I don't know. I mean, I may be wrong. I feel this. I was told once by a friend of mine, I love discussing with you because you're smart, because you're Jewish. I was horrified. It's crazy to say that. So it goes either way. It can be very negative or very positive, but both ways, I feel it doesn't really make sense. So I think that's one of my challenges. I'm sure I won't win this cause because I'm only a very small fish, but maybe people like Frank London or Sokol or me, we just add a very small to make so that people are interested